Hey guys, today we'll be making a BLT. BLT stands for bacon, lettuce, and tater tots. I'm just joking. It stands for tomatoes. Come on, let's do this. We have bacon sizzling. Sometimes it does a little dance when it pops, but we will be using Kaiser rolls instead of a normal toasted bread. So, we have some frozen fries here. We're going to put them in for about 20 minutes at 425. We're going to slice some tomatoes and peel some lettuce. So, for your BLT, you're going to want to cut the tomatoes thicker than usual for your BLT. Just like that. Grab the leaf and pull it back. Make sure you always wash your produce. So we lightly toasted our Kaiser rolls, and we're going to add mayonnaise, bacon, tomatoes, and lettuce. I don't like too much mayonnaise on mine, but I will put it on both sides. And boom, there you have it. A very good BLT. That's a good BLT. I'm gonna go enjoy this in the living room. Make sure to like and subscribe.